Today, I got pho and banh mi. Let's eat. Alright, so first I'm gonna start with the pho. I gotta make this shit. They gave me the broth. They put everything separate. It's kind of cold already. It's all good. Damn, it's just tight. Damn. That's what the pho's looking. Smells like soup. How do I do this? I don't know how to dump it to the bowl. Let's see. How do I do it? Fuck it. Shit. Oh fuck, it's stuck to the plate. Fuck, the noodles are stuck. Oh, fucking Spider-Man made this shit. What the fuck? There you go. Add the broth. I'm gonna do this shit in layers. Add some of the broth. And then they gave me a little baggie in the side. Put one line first. Ooh, bitch is juicy. Damn. I don't know how to break it apart. I just put the stem in it all. Fuck. There. I gave up. Some jalapeno. And bean sprouts. Oh wait. Bean sprouts. Put more broth. Some more lime. The first bite. I got this from Soup and Rose. It's a spot in the west side in San Antonio. I've been there before. It's my go-to spot. But let's see how it tastes today. If it won't taste good, I'm gonna go back and get another one. Let's see. Another big bite.